Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cthulhu, the Cosmic Abyss game. Not launching, crashing, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. You can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to the system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5 first, then click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the game and then click on the restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating your game to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, choose console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. After that, select the game and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Cthulhu, the Cosmic Abyss game. For that, highlight the game first on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game once again to check if the problem is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. You just have to explain the issue you are coming across and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.